California is known for its beautiful weather, picturesque landscapes, and stunning beaches, but it's also home to some of the most destructive floods in the country. Flooding is a common natural disaster in California that can cause significant damage to property and even result in loss of life. With the state experiencing severe droughts followed by heavy rains and flash floods, it is essential to be prepared for such emergencies. Here are some tips on how to prepare for flooding in California. Stay informed about flood risks in your area. The first step in preparing for flooding is to know the risks in your area. California has several flood-prone regions, and it is essential to stay informed about any potential flooding events. You can do this by monitoring local weather reports and keeping up to date with flood warnings and evacuation orders from local authorities. The National Weather Service, NWS, provides flood watches and warnings to alert people of impending flooding. Create an emergency plan. Developing an emergency plan is essential in case of a flood. Make sure you have a plan in place for how to evaluate if necessary, where to go, and what to do in case of an emergency. Identify a meeting point with your family and have a list of important phone numbers, such as emergency services, family members, and neighbors. Be prepared to evacuate. In case of flooding, it is essential to be prepared to evacuate your home quickly. You should keep your emergency kit ready. Pack essential items such as clothes, medication, and important documents, and follow evacuation orders from local authorities. Know what to do during a flood. During a flood, it is important to stay safe and take the following precautions. Move to higher ground and avoid walking or driving through floodwater. Do not touch electrical equipment if you are standing in water. Avoid contact with floodwater as it may contain hazardous materials. Listen to local authorities and follow their instructions. In conclusion, flooding is a serious concern in California, and it is important to be prepared for such emergencies. By staying informed about flood risks in your area, developing an emergency plan, protecting your property, purchasing flood insurance, be prepared to evacuate, you can minimize the risks of flood damage and stay safe during a flood. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the video? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.